Welcome back to my channel. Today's question is x raised to power of 2021 that is equal to x raised to power of 2020 plus 1. Our goal is find the roots of x. Let's see how to find the roots of this equation. In the given equation, we have 2021. It's a large number. Finding the factors of this 2021 is difficult. So, let's break it down a large number into a small factors. You can split into 2021 as 2019 plus 2. And if you find the factors of 2019, you will get 3 times 673. Similarly, 2020, we can write it as 2019 plus 1. 2019 factors are 3 times 673. So we can split like this. And 2021 and 2020, we have a common factors, that is 3 and 673. 673 is a big number. Let's try to take this 3. So let's consider a related equation with 3. That is x raised to the power of 3 plus 1. It is a simple polynomial. And notice that we can factor out very easily because it is in the form of a cube plus b cube. A cube plus b cube, the formula is a plus b times a square minus ab plus b square. So if you write in terms of this formula, then the equation turns into x plus 1 times x square minus x plus 1. So we are getting two factors here. One is x plus 1, another one is x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. So what it says, so x raised to the power of 3 plus 1, it is completely divisible. If you write in terms of reminders, so this we can write it as x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 is equal to 0 mod of x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. Isn't it? So what it says that x raised to the power of 3 plus 1 that is equal to 0. That means x raised to the power of 3 is minus 1. So use this x raised to the power of 3 equal to minus 1 in our original equation. Our original equation is x raised to the power of 2021. This one we can write it as x raised to the power of 3 times 673 plus 2. X raised to the power of 2021 we can write it as 3 times 673 plus 2. So now it is in the form of a power m plus n. We can write this as a power m times a power n. So x raised to the power of 3 times 673 times x raised to the power of 2. This x raised to the power of 3 times 673, it is in the form of a power m n. We can write this as a power m whole power n. So we can write that x raised to the power of 3 whole raised to the power of 673 times x square. Just now we found out x raised to the power of 3, the value is minus 1. Use it here. Minus 1 raised to the power of 673 times x square. Minus 1 power 673, the value is 670 is an odd number. Minus 1 raised to the power of even number, it will give plus 1. Similarly, minus 1 raised to the power of, if you have any odd number, it gives minus 1 only. So 673 is an odd number. Minus 1 raised to the power of 673, the value is minus 1 only. So this value is minus 1 times x raised to the power of 2, which gives minus x raised to the power of 2. This is the value of x raised to the power of 2021. Now find x raised to the power of 2020. This x raised to the power of 2020, we can write it as 3 times 673 plus 1. Now it is in the form of a power m plus 1. We can write it as a power m times a power n. So we can write as x raised to the power of 3 times 673 times x raised to the power of 1. Now this term, it is in the form of a power mn. We can write it as a power m whole power m. So this we can write as x power 3 whole power 673 times x. And we know that this value is minus 1 times x, which is minus x. Now take the original equation, that is x raised to the power of 2000 21, that is equal to x raised to the power of 2020 plus 1. So this we can write it as x raised to the power of 2021 minus x raised to the power of 2020 minus 1, that is equal to 0. And we know that x raised to the power of 2021, the value is minus x square. So the value is minus x square minus x raised to the power of 2020, the value is minus x minus 1, that is equal to 0. Minus x raised to the power of 2 minus times minus is plus x minus 1, that is equal to 0. So the original equation is minus x raised to the power of 2 plus x minus 1. If you take minus as common, then you are left with x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1. So this expression, if you write in terms of remainder, is x raised to the power of 2021 minus x raised to the power of 2020 minus 1, that is equal to x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1 times something. This original equation implies x raised to the power of 2 minus x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. So using quadratic formula, I'm going to find the factors of this quadratic equation, that is minus b, here b value is minus 1, a value is 1, c value is 1, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. So that is 1 plus or minus 1 minus 4, which gives minus 3, so this is square root of 3i by 2. So the x values are 1 plus or minus root 3i by 2. So this we can write as 1 by 2 plus or minus root 3 by 2i. This is cos 60 plus or minus sin 60i. So we can write it as e raised to the power of plus or minus I pi by 3. Pi by 3 is nothing but 60. These are the solutions of this complex polynomial. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.